So
Yes, so it's nightlife in Osu. For those of you who want to see Osu at night, this is how Osu looks like. Hope you enjoy everything.
yeah, well, they will enjoy. I mean, it's a free ride to a zoo,
Yeah.
right? Okay. So we're gonna start. Yeah.
So this the junction right in front of corner.
Uh-huh.
Grill and blue.
Okay. And then we go deeper.
Corner.
Yeah. So
You have the cloud nine. Let them
Yeah.
see the cloud nine out there.
Yeah.
That's the cloud nine out there.
yeah.
That's a bank.
You go pay.
No, you pay. Everything you see is for free. So we have some few places around. We saw Corner Park, the bar and the lounge. We also have Cloud Nine. We have Frankie's Hotel. I think they saw Frankie's Hotel in the afternoon. But this is how it looks like in the evening.
Oh, okay.
Frankie's Hotel and Restaurant.
Yeah.
This is how it looks like in the evening.
Wow. This place comes to life at night.
At night, this place has so much life. You know, in Ghana, you can chill so much.
Hey, madam.
You can stay all night on the street, and you are so safe. You have so much fun, and you do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
Without anyone standing. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
There is peace here, right?
Very, 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 very peaceful. This is one of the most peaceful places you can ever get on the planet.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Definitely.
So
Definitely.
we have casinos, we have restaurants, we have bars, we have groceries, a whole lot of things at night.
It's really is happening here.
Yeah.
It is really
So the
happening.
businesses are closing up, and then
The nightlife is
the
starting.
nightlife is about to start.
Okay.
And today being Friday, you know, today Friday, everybody loves weekend. No one loves Monday. Ha. Weekend.
Yeah. And what do you do? What are you doing on weekend?
On the weekend, we go to the various clubs with our friends, families, and we have fun.
And which one is your favorite though?
For me, I like to go to game centers at night.
Game center.
Yes, we have some game centers.
Okay.
You can play some few games.
Okay.
Night. And we also have movie centers as well,
Okay.
where you can watch your favorite movies,
Yeah.
and bars as well. We
My-
have a pub.
A pub. Yeah.
Down there. It's a very cool pub. Many people go there. Many people from the town
Yeah.
go there. But when there was a ban on noise making, they were not operating. That's the Shades Lounge. They were not operating. Okay. But now that they've lifted the ban on noise making, I think
Everything. How long was the ban on noise
3
making?
weeks, just 3 weeks.
Oh, okay.
And if you had come here during those times, this place would be
Quiet.
quiet as a cemetery.
Wow. For a place like Osu.
To be quiet, to know that there's something. We have anything you need.
Yeah.
Drinks, everything.
So basically, somebody can live in Osu their whole life,
Yeah.
not even needing to come out to do anything.
People do not live Osu.
Yeah.
And I think Lizzie container is warming up.
Oh
As you
yeah.
can see. People will start coming. When you come here later in the evening,
It's gonna be packed to capacity.
many people will come drink, have fun, be with them. The black pap would have been full already. It's at the top. Yes, because yes. For that place,
spots. It's
yes.
hard to get a spot.
Yes, it's hard to get a parking space too.
Yeah.
So over there, what they do is they come early and park, then they go to town.
Yeah.
And then they go to so they can park and then maybe go to a place, eat something, and then later come back to the park, join friends. Yeah. From this place,
Yeah.
it's a bit quiet because they used to have a famous park here that has been relocated to another place. Because the
Why?
people
Because
around
did not
complain-
like the noise.
Yes, but there is so much noise. And you know, that was a pub that was meant for the youth. It's targeted at the youth, and many of them come as well. We
Okay.
come there in our numbers because it was a street pub. We sit all over the street, across the street, with the DJs playing your favorite music. We are screaming, shouting, singing. You know, it causes a lot. It used to cause a lot of traffic around this
Area.
yeah, particular this area because we make so much noise. But now they've relocated to another place.
So this area gets a bit quieter than
Yes, now-
that side.
Yes, now this side, the pub was just here.
Okay.
It was right here. But now they have a bank.
A bank.
Yes.
How do you go from a pub to a bank?
I don't know.
Huh? How do you go from like
Just
spending money to investing it?
I just don't know. But you can see from that side that it used to be a bar. Yes, you can see.
Oh yeah, I can still see.
That it used to be a bar. So by then there was no bank here, so people sit at this bar from the bar all the way to that side, all the way to this side, to the street. So people used to sit
Really?
here,
All here.
all this place. That was a bar, serving the drinks. The people used to sit here. So they sit here and they play their music. Today is Friday, so today there'll be live band. After the live band, the DJ will play your favorite music. You can go for music based on request. They'll play it for you. But you know, sometimes we make too much
Noise.
to be forced to move to wherever you go.
And they didn't own the place either.
It's just rented for business purposes.
Okay.
So we have Pepple Park. I don't know if you've heard of Pepple Park.
No,
We
I
have
haven't.
Pepple Park at Dankwa,
Oh, at the
the
roundabout.
Yes,
Yes.
we have Pepple Park there. And then from Pepple Park, we have other parks inside the estate here.
Where?
Inside.
How deep is it?
Yes.
It's very deep, huh?
Deep.
Okay.
Deep.
Okay.
So we could have at least been to, if we had enough, we could have gone to Pepple Park for you to see how it is. If only you can walk, it's fine. You can still go to Pepple Park. You're ready to walk.
Well,
Then
the battery.
Battery as well. Because Pepple Park So this is how it looks at night.
Wow.
At night, people come, especially on weekends, you meet people on the street having fun,
Yeah.
enjoying their life. Osu
And Osu is like the center of all entertainment. So now we're going to 5 Junction, right?
5 Junction.
Yeah. You see, I remember the place.
Yeah, you are good.
Yeah.
You didn't get missing. I can't even sell you for.
Oh yeah, no, you wouldn't. Actually, you know, if you sell me, whoever buys or thinks they can buy me, they will return you. They'll be like,
You don't
yeah, not him. Find something else. All right.
Thank you. So,
Okay.
Purple Park, Black Park, and other parks are behind us. Because I don't know how. Lumbar is in there as well. Lumbar is in the estate.
Yeah.
Yes,
Wow.
it It used to be Irish pub.
Irish.
Pub, yes. It used to be Irish pub, and then someone else bought it and then changed it to Bloomberg. Yeah.
Was it owned by Irish or?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And it was like they bought that residence and they used it for the pub. So they were there, and it was a nice pub because you can really hide. It was nestled, so
very private.
exactly. Most people will not see you coming to that pub. In case maybe you have issues with your pastor, your reverend, kind of.
You want to hide your not so religious side.
Exactly. So,
but then what if you meet your religious leader there? You also meet him there.
Exactly.
What do you do? Huh?
So you greet him, Father, bless your children. I bless you in the name of God, the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Enjoy yourself. It happens though.
It does. It really does.
Sleep back. We pass sleep back in there actually, but sleep back comes to life at night. Yes, at night.
So at this time here, it's a little bit quiet.
Yes, it's a bit quiet because you can get them late in the night. There is going to be a band for today. Today is Friday.
Oh, okay.
You can see that the cars are parked.
Are parked
when you
already,
were
yeah.
coming, there were no cars.
Yes. It's getting busier.
Yes, so the private ones are in the private area. So the noise makers, the noise makers will
be
come
out
from 9 p.m.
till X time.
We are the noise makers. For us, we don't care who sees us inside, whether our pastor, the Lord himself, whoever sees us, we're okay.
It doesn't matter.
We are fine with it. So we come late.
You don't hide, yeah.
Yes, we come late for you to see us. But the private people
go in
private,
there
yes.
and hide. Yeah.
We have places that is meant for those kind of people. You don't go there and tell.
And I see this one actually has removed his number plate.
Yes.
So that
the wife is passing by.
so you remove wait you go hide somewhere to have some fun, and then you decide to remove your number plate so that people don't know that it's your car.
But
really,
you're just wasting your time.
Yeah, I think so.
I feel at this point in my life,
it's pointless.
I should be able to feel free
to express whatever you feel like expressing.
And do whatever I want to do with my life. I should be able to pick a call now and tell my man I'm currently at Presby cluster of schools. And I should feel comfortable telling him that because that's where I am. You don't owe anyone anything at this age. At least when you were young, you can say, okay, my mom is going to beat me or kill me or do this. But who is going to beat you now? No one.
Nobody.
So just feel
the decisions are yours.
Yes. If you want to cheat, it's fine. Cheat and have fun. But don't be hiding like at this age.
Maybe some people think they hide out of respect. They don't want maybe like the church leaders or the people they know to see them doing those things.
You are human. Even the men of God, they were men before God called them. God knows you.
Some are actually not even called yet, huh?
Yeah.
They
Some missed the call. It was a missed call.
It was a missed call, yeah.
Some too had a flash. God was about to call someone else, and
it was like it turned out that I thought it was them. Yeah.
So they just joined a mistake. So this nightlife in Osu. We are currently at Osu 5 Junction.
5 Junction Osu at night.
At night. Give them the 360. Let them see the people moving around. So you see all these people. You ask yourself, where did they come from? Heaven.
They just appear, They were not here like a few hours ago.
Exactly.
And then boom.
They are here.
It's like they were sleeping, getting ready for now.
It's gonna get more noisy, crowded from 9 p.m. because people will be coming here to get their food and other stuff. People will come to the bar here as well. And the people having the program in town are just starting because the music they are playing now tells you that this is just the beginning. This is the night market. So this 5 junction leading to the
Night market.
Let's just walk there and see how it looks like as compared to the afternoon. Who knows, maybe you'll find your favorite dish there.
Your favorite dish, huh?
I'll buy it and send it to them online.
Online, alright? Yeah.
So this is how it is.
Wow.
From 9 p.m. the drivers and the pedestrians have to fight for the road. Because we'll be much on the streets and they're also coming.
Yeah.
So we have to be fighting for the streets.
Wow. Yeah, everything is still open, very much open.
And you can see it's more noisy at night than during the day.
Yes, it comes to life actually, really.
During the day it was a bit calm.
It was very calm compared to now, basically.
We have everything. This is what I was talking about. At night, good drivers, pedestrians have to find their way.
Yeah. Wow.
So this is the night market. People have started putting their things. Had the cake sellers,
Wow.
place you can get rice and
Everything basically.
we have beverages.
There's even a man preaching. Oh yeah.
This is where you can buy any food you want to buy. Go to the night market and come and buy. Because at night we are selling.
So what makes why is it that they sell at night?
They sell at night because
What's the reason?
some people do not stay here, but they come here at night.
Oh,
to
okay.
have fun.
Fun. Okay.
So after taking so much alcohol,
They need
to
food.
eat food.
Yeah.
So where do I get the food? Then you think about the night market. That's where they can get food. So when you come here, you get access. When you go in there,
Oh.
this side,
Oh.
when you go in there, you see people buying different forms of all kinds of food.
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
They depend on the night market food. So now you can see them.
Yeah.
So this place is for rice.
For rice. We're looking for white share. Yes.
So unless you go to their house, I told you about. For here, it's rice.
Okay. Okay.
When we started from the house,
Okay. You say?
this place is called mango with fish. Thank you with fish. Rice, indomie. We have pulsating and the last time.
The last time. Let's go there.
Let's go.